everybody, my name is Krissy and we are here at the Hands-On Discovery Center and we are bringing you a really cool, fun activity that you can do any time of the year, but specifically during the holidays while you're on holiday break. We are going to be making Cranberries Dance today. What I have with me today are some fresh whole cranberries here, and I have some dried cranberries as well. I have some water, and I also have a carbonated drink in some cups. So we are first gonna see which of these cranberries are gonna float or sink, or maybe they both float or maybe they both sink. I don't know, we're gonna find out. First, what do you think? Do you think that the fresh whole cranberries are gonna float or are they gonna sink? And the dried cranberries, are they gonna float or are they gonna sink as well? Let's test it out. Let's put some in the water. Ooh, if you said float, you are correct. Why do they float? I think these are just so big they should sink, right? Well, inside of these, there are little air pockets and little bubbles that make them float. Now let's do some dried cranberries. Oh no, they are sinking. If you said sink, you are correct. The dried cranberries, they don't have those air pockets, so they just sink right to the bottom of the water. But we are going to make these dried cranberries dance. Are you ready? Here we go. You are going to need a cup and a carbonated drink that's not flat. It has to be nice and fizzy. And we're gonna pour that in as such. All right. And we're gonna take some cranberries and we're gonna pour them in to the cup. Now, you are gonna notice that your cranberries are gonna be covered in little tiny bubbles. Those tiny bubbles are gonna make those little cranberries float all the way to the top. And then when they get to the top, the air pops them and they go right back down again, and they'll continue to dance up and down when they get more bubbles attached to them. Well, isn't that such a really cool activity? So when you go home and try this, you can do it with different kinds of fruit, and let us know how that turns out for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.